Good afternoon and welcome to the first grade intro meeting. Thank you for your dedication to your children's education and for joining us today. First, we will introduce ourselves, then go over virtual expectations, important information that will be needed for the first day of school. Hi, you all. I'm Miss Walker, and we are Walker's Winning Warriors.
Hello, I'm Miss Harvey, and we are Harvey's Heroic Heroes.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Gray, and we are Gray's Great Grand Slammers.
Hello, I'm Miss Frazier, and we are Frazier's Friendly Fish.
Although we are learning virtually, our district's vision and mission will still drive our instruction this year.
These are a few of the main virtual learning expectations that will help your child be successful while learning from home. First of all, don't be late. You'll miss something great. Our school day will begin at 8:20. Make sure to log in 3 to 5 minutes ahead of time in case you run into any technical issues. Next, it is important that your child is appropriately dressed for the school day. They will have their cameras on and will be interacting with their classmates during the day. So we definitely want them to have real clothes on and not pajamas. Next, it'll be important that your child has a designated learning space. An example of an area would be a table with a chair facing away from a TV. Make sure that they are set up away from noisy areas and things that would distract them from their lessons. It is important also that your child has everything that they need for the school day in their learning space with them, like their workbooks, folders, whiteboards, and other supplies. This will minimize interruptions and maximize their learning.
Now, parents, I need you to pay attention to the next slide, take notes, because this is the virtual navigation that's going to show you how to log in to the various platforms that we'll be using. I'm going to be showing you how to access ClassLink, Canvas, which is the tool we'll be using for teaching this year, and Teams. Many of you have already logged in and accessed them and bookmark ClassLink to your browser, but for those of you who haven't, I'm going to show you how. First, you will go to Google Chrome. ClassLink may automatically pop up. All you have to do is log in. If it does not, I'll show you how to access it. You'll open a new window and you will go to the Bill County School District site. Once you're at the website, you will go to the Parents tab and you will scroll down and you will click ClassLink. Once you're at ClassLink, you will log in with the same information you received when you picked up your materials. It is the first name dot last name, the graduation year, password, all caps, first initial, last initial, your lunch number, and an exclamation mark. Make sure you put the exclamation mark. Sign in. Now, once the lunch pad comes up, you'll see all of the different apps that we'll be using. They are in alphabetical order, so they'll be easy to find. Canvas, this is what we'll be using for our instruction. Freckle Math is here. We also have other apps that we will be using, such as Reading Eggs, Renaissance. In Renaissance, this is where they take AR tests and STAR assessments. We also have STEM scopes for science and studies weekly. What I would suggest is to drag all of the apps that your teacher will be using frequently and put them in a folder together. You create a folder by going to the top bar and pressing edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, you can drag an app to another app and create a folder. I would drag all the apps that you need to that one folder so they'll be easy for you to access. Every morning after you log into ClassLinks, you'll go to Canvas. It will automatically log you in. For now, there will be no classes, no courses on your dashboard. Courses will not appear until the first day of school. Once they appear, you're going to go to Homeroom. Make sure it has the teacher's name and Homeroom. Once you click that, for the first day only, you're going to see a red arrow pointing to a Teams app. Be sure to click the Teams app and it'll take you directly to the teacher for your meeting that morning. Once you're in Teams, I'm going to show you what it will look like. I'll go to Teams here. You can also access Teams from the ClassLinks page. You will go to Homeroom and the meeting will start here. Once you see meeting has started, you can click join and you will be joined with your class. I'm going to be showing you how to.
Now we will take a moment to look at our master schedule. As you can see, the virtual schedule is a full day of learning and activities, similar to our in-person learning. Students are expected to log in daily by 8:20 a.m. and be checked in. Teacher-led instruction will begin at 8:20. During the offline times, students will be pulled for small groups by their teacher and complete independent work. Students will receive an hour for lunch and break daily. Students will still have specials daily as well. Science and social studies will be taught at an alternating schedule, science one week and social studies the next. It is important that students are present for live instruction.
Next, parents, I'd like to speak with you about our new communication tool called Remind. As you're aware, we used to use Class Dojo. This year, we're going to transition to Remind. I would like for all of you to download the application to your smartphones. And once you download it, you will see the option to accept phone calls, texts, or emails. Please select the option to accept our messages. Also, be sure that we have your complete and correct contact information. As you can see, each class has their own code. So you would need to access your student's class using the code that you see listed. You will receive more information from your teacher as we go along. And one last important suggestion, parents, is that over the weekend, you please take the time to practice logging in. The more you practice, the easier things will go on Tuesday morning for the first day of school. Thank you.
Please, if you have any questions, please type them in the chat box and we will respond as soon as possible.